Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 8-inch wreath frame from Dollar Tree, as well as this ribbon that I got from Amazon. I'm cutting strips of 11 inches. This ribbon is 2.5-inch wired ribbon, and I cut 11 strips. This one is 1.5-inch wired ribbon, and I cut 40 strips. I then take each of those strips, I stack a few on each other, and fold it in half and fishtail the ends. I'm going to be taking each of those strips and I fold it in half, and then I'm taking the ends of the ribbon and pushing it through those first 2 rings from the center, and then I pull those end pieces through the loop nice and tight, having the ribbon go outward. And there's 3 sections in this wreath frame. The first section is just going to be the blue and white, and I add those 11 strips within that section. I then do the same process with the white and red ribbon. Each section will get 20 of those pieces because they're a lot smaller. And this ribbon is smaller and it's not as thick as the other ribbon, so it goes on much easier. After I have that all filled in, I'm taking this star ornament that I got from Dollar Tree. I cut off the hanger from it and then make a knot on some twine and then hot glue that knot on the back of the star. Once that is fully set, I'm taking the twine and tucking it through the outer loop and wrapping that around there and tying the twine around that outer loop. I just make sure it's the right placement, and then I pull that tight and cut off the excess. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.